In this video, I will show you the exact steps to claim a Snapchat Plus Buddy Pass so you can share the premium experience with a friend. This feature is a fantastic way to gift a subscription without spending extra money. To get started, you must first be an active Snapchat Plus subscriber yourself. Open the app and tap on your profile icon in the top left corner. From there, look for the golden Snapchat Plus banner located right below your name and tap on it. Scroll through the available features until you find the option labeled Buddy Pass. When you select it, a list of your closest friends will appear. Keep in mind that you can only send this pass to someone who does not currently have a subscription. Choose the friend you want to invite and hit the send button. Your friend will receive a chat notification with a unique link to redeem their free month. They simply need to click that link and follow the prompts to activate their trial. It is important to remember that this pass is valid for a limited time, so remind your friend to claim it quickly. This is a great way to explore custom icons and chat wallpapers together. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more social media tips.